Hey, fatty! Behold, the most evolutionary way to figure out your maintenance calorie count. Fuck the fucking calorie calculators on the internet. Fuck all that shit. Okay, this is how you fucking figure out your maintenance calories. Now, by definition, the maintenance calories is the amount of food you need to eat to maintain your body weight. So right off the bat, we don't fucking care about the fucking calorie count. We care about maintaining the fucking body weight on the goddamn scale, okay? Cause and effect, okay? Most people will fucking use some stupid fucking calorie calculator and then just hope that their fucking weight will maintain because they're following a calorie calculator's guessed calorie count. Don't do it that way, okay? Cause and effect. Use the fucking scale to figure out the calories, okay? Control the fucking scale, the scale feedback system. And then whatever calories it shows you need, that's what you actually need, not what some fucking calculator tells you. Okay, here we go. So, I'll just go right through, pretend this is me. I started out as a fat ass, let's say. So let's say I started out as 250 pounds, okay? Don't even worry about this until you're fucking lean and clean. I lose all the weight drinking snake juice, okay? I'm cutting hard. Fucking body's chewing up the fucking food on my gut, okay? I don't need food because I got food on my fucking gut. But then at some point I'm gonna get lean. And at that point I'm down to a nice lean body weight. Let's say that my goal weight set point is 175 pounds. So I'm at the point now. I've been hammering snake juice, not eating anything. I want to maintain 175, okay? Now to do this experiment, once you're lean and clean, most accurately, it needs to be a 24-hour dry fasting routine. So let's just step through my normal day. This is exactly what I do right now. So I haven't drank any water or anything tonight yet. Okay? You weigh yourself right before you refeed. The reason you want it to be a dry fasting routine because the water will fuck with your weight during the day. So right before you refeed, weigh yourself. So, we pretend we do that tonight. Day one, I weigh myself. I'm 174.2 pounds, okay? My set point is 175. So I'm under. So tonight I really don't care how much food I eat. I can eat a lot because I'm under. So let's just say I eat 3,500 calories. Now everyone's going to be like, how the fuck did you get that number? I know my body enough, and you can kind of estimate it from what you do read, but I'll tell you right now, MyFitnessPal and all these fucking calculators don't even go low enough for you fucking women to maintain. They go like down to 1,200. Most of you women, a good starting point, once you're lean, is going to be somewhere between maybe like fucking 600 and 1,000 calories. Start there and then see what happens with the scale. If you're high, the scale will climb and then you adjust. So anyway, I'm under by 0.8 pounds. 175 is my set point. I'm 174.2. Let's say I weighed right now. So I eat 3,500, okay? So tomorrow I'd weigh in again, dry fasting all fucking day. And now let's say I weigh 175.4. So now I'm over my set point by 0.4. So I cut it back. So instead of 3,500, I cut it back fairly substantially. Let's go 2,800. Okay? Then day 3, I weigh in. Always dry fasted right before I fucking eat all my food. Day 3, I weigh 174.4. Okay? So I'm under again. I'm not under quite as much as I was on day 1, but I'm still under by 0.6. 175, 174.4, 0.6 under. Okay? So then I eat a little more than the 2,800. I bump it back up to about 3,300. Okay? Next day I weigh myself. Day 4. Jackpot. I land right on 175. Okay? So then because obviously I gained a little bit here because I was 174.4. I ate 3,300, which brought me to 175.0. I know in my head to cut it back a little bit still, because this is probably still above my maintenance. Okay, so I go with 3,000. Then day 5, bang, I'm 175 again when I fucking weigh myself after my dry fast. 3,000. Guess what my maintenance calorie is? 3,000, because that's what maintains 175. Scale fucking feedback. Use the fucking scale to figure this shit out. Now this is fucking pretty perfect. But like if the average person was swinging around 1 or 2 pounds using this, perfect. And also, if you're gonna do this experiment, This is important. Just keep the foods constant. So every night right now what I eat is this. I'm eating approximately a pound of steak. 6 eggs, those stay constant. I eat a kilogram of carrots, that stays constant. I eat about a kilo of apples, that stays constant. And then what I do is I fuck around with my fats. If I feel like I'm a little light, I'll eat a little more butter or maybe some fucking nuts or something. Okay? If I'm a little bit if I'm a little heavy, sorry. If I'm a little light, I'll crank up the calories via the fats. And then if I'm a little bit heavy, I'll just back those down. Okay? But I always keep the fucking meat and the eggs identical, the carrots identical. It's always the best to keep the foods identical. Because here's the thing. This is why the calories really doesn't mean shit. It's this that counts. Keep the fucking scale number the same. Because soon as if you're eating like low carb to the point where you're in ketosis, then it'll change. Because I can eat a lot more calories when I'm eating low carb and still maintain the same weight. Because you're in fat burning mode longer. Instead of 3,000 being my maintenance to hold 175, I bet you I'd be more around 3,500. I've done these experiments. Okay? That's why the calories don't really mean shit. Plus the calorie labels are within like 20% fucking error. Use the fucking scale. Scale feedback. If you're over your set point, cut back the food a bit. If you're above the set point, if you're If you're under your set point, crank the food up a little bit. If you're over your set point, cut it back. It's simple. You're using the fucking scale as feedback. This is why don't be a fucking crybaby. Go buy yourself a good electronic scale. And this is why it's got to be a 24-hour dry fasting routine. And then once you figure out the number, though, then you can go back to a fucking routine where you're drinking water during the day. Just that this routine, 24-hour dry fasting routine, is the best, most accurate way to figure out the number. And all you're really doing is you're just figuring out what your body is going to be used, so you're used to eating a certain size meal. Because you got to remember, you've been cutting hardcore on snake juice using basically calories from your body fat for so long, you don't really have a clue how much you'll be able to eat without gaining weight back. So all you're really doing here is figuring out how much food is a normal portion size where you know you won't gain. Because you should get used to the amount of food from just seeing it. Like I can look at the plate of food and be like, okay, that's close to probably a regular one meal for me. Okay? And all of it, obviously this has got to be a 1 meal a day routine with a 24-hour fast or it won't fucking work. That's how you got to do the fucking math. Okay, this is how you figure out maintenance calories properly. Get that fat in ya.